If you ever use ChatGPT and feel like the answer is vague or generic, or just not what you are hoping for, I want you to watch this video. It's probably not AI's fault, it's your prompt. But here's the exciting part. This is actually good news. Because once you learn how to write prompts right away, AI suddenly becomes smart, reliable teammate who understands exactly what you want. Whether you are creating presentations, business ideas, marketing plans, scripts, reports, emails, or anything else. And in this video, I'm gonna teach you 5 step-by-step framework that professionals use top-tier outputs from ChatGPT or Gemini. This is the same framework used by power users, consultants, and creators who generate incredible results with AI every day. By the end of this video, you will know how to think and communicate in a way that makes AI gives you clear, accurate, and professional quality results. This is not theory. You will see a real before and after example, real frameworks, and prompts you can copy and use today. My name is Yu. I'm AI engineer and help people use AI as a real consultant, not just a toy or gimmick. If you struggle getting good answers from ChatGPT, this video will give you. Before we jump into 5 steps, there is one concept you absolutely need. AI is mirror. It doesn't think for you. It reflects your thinking. If you give AI vague instructions, you will get vague results back. If you give it a confused prompt, you will get a confused response. If your direction is incomplete, the output will feel incomplete. Let me show you a simple example. Imagine you tell a new employee at your company, "Hey, can you make a good presentation about our new product?" They will probably respond with, what kind of presentation? For who? How long? What's the goal? AI feels exactly the same way. When we say, write a presentation, or make a plan, or write this email nicely, AI has to guess what we really want. And every time the AI has to guess, you get the result that feels wrong. The secret is not to prompt better. The secret is to think clearer and communicate that clarity for model. Once you do that, AI suddenly becomes good and increase your productivity. Alright, let's dive in the main part. Step 1. Be clear and ridiculously specific. This one step alone can improve your results more than anything else. Most prompts fail because they leave too much room for interpretation. Let's compare. Bad prompt is, make a presentation about our new app. This is unclear. Who is the audience? How many slides? What's the purpose? What's the angle? Now, look at this version. Create a 10 slides presentation for our executive team about new task management app designed for remote workers who struggle with context switching and digital overload. Use logical, simple tone. Focus on user pain points and business opportunity. Same task, but totally. Alright, I'm gonna compare those results. First one is bad prompt. Hit this button, right? AI has to guess what you want clearly, step by step. But when you put good prompt, like this, they show the outline of this presentation. Slide 1 is title, slide 2 is program, slide 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 10. Totally different result. When you add audience, angle, tone, and context, you are no longer asking ChatGPT a question. You are giving it a mission. Alright, step number 2 is the heart of professional prompting. You should tell the AI 3 things every time: role, background, and goal. I call this the RBG method. If your AI know who it should be act as, what the situation is, and what success looks like, your results instantly become sharper. Here's a real example. Role: you are senior product manager at a tech startup. Background: our productivity tool market is highly competitive. We want to create a new task management app optimized for remote workers dealing with constant digital distractions. This app should become a long-term core product. Goal: create a proposal that can be approved at the next executing meeting. Look how clear this is. AI now knows who is pretending to be. In this case is Senior Product Manager. What situation the company is in? In this case, this market is highly competitive, and this app should become a long-term core product, and what final output must achieve. In this case, is setting goals like this. This eliminates 80% of misunderstanding. RBG gives AI a frame like giving a new coworker a clean briefing. Alright, step 3 is a technique that almost nobody uses, but it instantly increases clarity. Use simple Markdown structures. Heading levels help AI understand the hierarchy of your request, but help it prioritize. Bold text helps it focus on important requirements. Here is a perfectly structured prompt. Here is a good prompt like this. By using headings, you are basically giving the AI maps. It understands what each block means and how they relate. This makes the output far more structured. And step 4, define the output rules. This is where the most beginners fail. If you don't tell AI what the final result should look like, you will get random variations every time. But when you define the structure like this, you get consistent and clean results. Here's an example like this. When you add the rules like this, AI doesn't have to guess the format. It knows the exact shape of the answer. It saves hours of rewriting. And step 5, iterate. This is the one skill that separates casual AI users from true power users. Great AI users don't accept the final answer. They shape it. They say things like, make this more concise. Add 2 examples. Rewrite this in a friendly tone. Explain it for beginner. Make it more formal. Add data points. Each small correction sharpens the final output. Think of AI like the teammate. You wouldn't expect a coworker to produce a perfect draft in one shot. You would guide team, give feedback, and refine. AI works exactly the same way. Here's a bonus tip that will save you an unbelievable amount of time. Ask AI to write prompts for you. You simply tell it, design the perfect prompt to create this type of document. Ask me any question you need first. The AI will ask clarifying questions, build a clean, optimized prompt, and you can save it as a custom GPT or gems. This becomes your own prompt factory. Alright, let's recap. To get expert level results from AI. First, be clear and specific. 2. Use a role, background, goal method. 3. Structure your prompt with headings. 4. Set clear output rules. 5. Iterate like teammates. If you found this video helpful, please put like and subscribe this channel. Tell me in the comments what kind of AI video you want me to make next. I read every comment. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see the next one. Bye bye.